little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you, and today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful Indian cap. Here I'm drawing the cap and then I will color it with Indian tricolor. Let's follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I will learn you easy drawing. Here I complete my drawing. Now let's start to color it. And first one I'm using orange color. Do you know kids tricolor's name? Yes, so orange, white and green color. Here I'm leaving the middle part, that is white color, and now I'm using green color, and this is light green color. And now I'm drawing the wheel, and that is deep blue color. Here I'm again using orange color. And the last one I'm using light green color. Wow, the Indian tricolor cap is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it, and thank you for watching this video.